VS Code versus Continue Dev versus Cursor. Let's start with VS Code. It is the world's most popular code editor, and it supports extensions like GitHub, Copilot, Code Whisperer, and Continue. But by itself, it is not an AI assistant. Continue Dev, on the other hand, is an open source extension that brings GPT-based autocomplete, code chat, and inline suggestions right inside VS Code and JetBrains. And Cursor is a full AI native code editor built on top of VS Code with deep integration of GPT-4, cloud, and custom context windows. It feels like Copilot on steroids. So, why should we choose them? Well, if you want to choose and want a stable, versatile editor and prefer to add your own AI tools like Copilot or Continue, you want to choose VS Code because it offers like huge ecosystem and extension support. And if you want a free open source AI assistant that works inside VS Code or JetBrains, then choose Continue Dev. It also offers features like free and open source. It brings chat and code completions inside VS Code and works with local models. And lastly, choose Cursor if you want the best AI native coding experience with deeper context and seamless GPT power. And it offers built from the ground up for AI first coding, and it has inline chat, autocomplete, and AI workflows, which feels native.